Hello everyone, welcome back to WS Spoken. This is Smith speaking. So how are you guys? I hope we're doing great. So today I came yet another topic that definitely you will gonna like it. Today I'm going to talk about modal verbs. Words like can, could, may, might and more. Okay, so if you want to speak English more fluently and confidently, so you must understand them, right? So without any delay, let's dive in. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are special verbs that help us express ability, possibility, permission, necessity, advice, and more. They always come before the main verb and do not change from. Common modal verbs can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would, ought to, need to. So, how modal verbs are used in spoken English? Let's explore each modal verb with simple explanation plus real life spoken English examples. First, can, ability or permission. Use to show ability or to ask, give permission. Common in spoken English when offering help or asking for something politely. Examples: I can speak English fluently. Can I use your phone? You can sit here. Second, could. Past ability, polite requests, possibility. Use past of can, polite questions, possibilities. Often used in polite conversations. Examples: I could swim when I was 5. Could you help me? It could rain later. Third, may. Permission or possibility. Use formal permission or chance of something happening. More formal than can. Examples: may I come in? She may join us later. 4. Might. Weak possibility. Use to talk about something that's possible but not sure. Common when you're unsure. Examples: I might go to the party. He might be at home. 5. Must. Necessity or strong advice. Use to show something is very necessary or to give strong advice. Often used when giving strong rules or personal feelings. Examples: you must wear a seat belt. I must finish this today. 6. Shall. Suggestions or offers. Mostly British English. Use suggestion or offer. This is formal. Rare in American spoken English, more in British. Examples: shall we start the meeting? Shall I help you? 7. Should. Advice or suggestion. Use to give advice or say what is the right thing to do. Very common in spoken English. Examples: you should eat healthy food. I think we should leave now. 8. Will. Future or a strong intention. Use to talk about the future or make promises. Very common in daily conversations. Examples: I will call you later. Don't worry, I'll help you. 9. Would. Polite request. Imaginary situations, past habits. Use politeness, imaginary or conditional sentences. Very polite and soft in tone. Examples: would you like some tea? If I were rich, I would travel the world. When I was a kid, I would play all day. 10th, ought to. Moral duty or advice. Use similar to should but slightly more formal. Less common but still used in advice. Examples: you ought to respect your elders. You ought, see out to apologies. 11th, need to. Necessity or obligation. Use to talk about what is necessary. Common in both formal and informal speech. Examples: you need to finish your homework. I need to call my mom. So, guys, Modal verbs make your English sound more natural and fluent. So you practice them daily and you will notice the difference in your way of speaking. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Always Spoken. I will see you in my next video. For the time being, keep learning and stay positive. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.